Let's take a look at how to change the size of the font in Gmail. So when you're writing a new message, you can highlight anything you want to change the size of the font, or you can press Command A if you're on Mac or Control A if you're on Windows to highlight the entire message if you want to change everything. And then you're going to come down here to the letter A with an underline, which is your formatting options. And these two T's right here are the size options. So you can change the font size from small to normal to large to huge if you want to. Now, the other thing that you can do is write up your email in another program like Google Docs and change the font a little bit more detailed. So like you can actually give it a point size like 10-point font or 12-point font, and then you can copy paste it over so you don't have just, 4 sizes. You have many more options. But that's how you can change font size pretty quick and easy. And you'll notice when you hover over it, you'll get the shortcut keys for it. And so in this case on Mac, it's going to be Command Shift minus or plus to increase or decrease font size. So we have everything highlighted here. On Windows, that would be Control Shift plus and minus. And if I have Command and Shift held and press the plus key, it's going to increase the font size. Minus key is going to decrease the font size. And that will just step it through those 4 sizes that are available. You can also do this with certain words. So here we go. We have one word highlighted. Come down here and I'm going to make this word huge. And that word is now huge compared to the rest of the text. So that's how you can change font size in Gmail.